Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. In tonight's video, and I'm sure you can see, it is getting dark out here. As a matter of fact, let's see, can y'all see the moon? The moon is out and I am losing light, but I wanted to show you guys something. I talked to you guys in a previous video about a pump that I bought, and I'm using it right now over there by the greenhouse, and I want to show you how it's working. I was able to find a couple more water barrels like the two that I had. The one on the end right here was one that I bought several years ago, and these two are brand new that I just bought yesterday, as a matter of fact. They were on sale. I happened to see the flyer, the store flyer, and they were $47 a piece. And if you all saw my last video where I showed you what was going on at Walmart, Walmart is selling 50-gallon rain barrels for 99, either 98 or $99. Either way, not 47. So I just built another riser for this one. That's the original riser. I have a video of me showing you how I made that. I did pretty much the same thing with this one. And I also have another one on this side of the house. My husband and I put that one together, but the other two I did all by myself. So this is the dog run, and this is one of my original 50-gallon water barrels. So I have one right here and three by the It does make a fair bit of noise, so I hope you all can hear me. The pump is down here on the ground. It is something that you have to plug up. There's the plug. I hope you guys can see. Let me show you all. I have my extension cord over there plugged into the house, and so I have it plugged up and going. So what it's doing, it is drawing the water out of this barrel. This barrel was completely full, and it is drawing the water out of here and putting it into the barrel over there. Let me check it. Something's not right. No, it's fine. I have some sediment down there, but that is the pump pulling the water out. So I'm going to have to clean that sediment out and then get this one ready for more rainwater. I hope you can see I have rigged up some stuff. I have gutters on my greenhouse, and I put a pool noodle from the gutter up there that goes down into this rain barrel. So all water that comes off the roof line and into the gutter along here flows into this rain barrel. I didn't have any more long pieces of pool noodle, so I rigged up this piece right here, and hopefully it will drop water into this rain barrel up until I can get some more pool noodle. I got this pool noodle from the dollar store many years ago when it was actually $1. Now it's $1.25, and so I'll be picking up another pool noodle so that I can get water off of the roof of the greenhouse, because on all sides the gutter has an opening where water can flow out. So I'm trying to maximize my water, my collection of water, I should say. So this is the barrel. You can see I've got the water hose, and it is pouring water into it. Now this particular barrel was really banged up really bad when I got it, and it's got some scratches on it in the inside, but it is it doesn't seem to be leaking. I will contact the store and let them know that if it does leak, then I will be bringing it back. I had to drive a bit of a ways to go get these two barrels, but for that amount of money, I was willing to drive. So let's just get that in there so it's not making that noise. But as you can see, it is filling up the barrels quite nicely. Or I should say it's filling up the barrel nicely. You can see here it's pulling it down. It's almost halfway empty. So we're going to be getting some rain in the next 2 days. It rained all last night, torrential rain all last night and this morning. So this barrel, all of my barrels were full, but I wanted to get my new barrels set up so that I can collect the rain that's going to be coming tomorrow and the day after. I hope you guys could hear all I was saying, because the pump is pretty noisy back there, but it has been very useful for me because, as you know, if you've been watching my channel, I have 5-gallon buckets that I place on that side of the house over there, and that side of the house over there. On this side where the rain barrel is, I have roughly 14 5-gallon buckets over there that collect water when it rains. And on the opposite side of the house where I have my cut flower garden, I have about 5 buckets because that's all I had left. I haven't gathered anymore, but I do have that 45-gallon trash can over there that is almost completely full because, again, it's been raining. So I'm trying to maximize all of the rainwater, collect as much as I can so that way when summer comes, because summer will come again, and the heat will be as bad, if not worse, as it was this year. We had 80 days of 100+ degree temperatures, and I suspect we're going to have roughly the same or worse. So, what I've decided to do while the weather is moderately decent right now, it was 60 degrees today. It was freezing a couple days ago, and so while I can get out here now, I'm doing things like this to prepare for my summer. But also, those are food grade. Let me show you. All of these containers are food grade containers. So if I chose to put drinking water in these containers, I can do that as well. So if you're not saving water for your garden, if you can, or you're not taking advantage of food grade barrels for maybe saving water for you and your family in a time of need, now's the time to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I had to build that riser, so that took me a bit of time. And now I'm just trying to get this water moved over before the rain comes, either tonight or tomorrow. So let me hurry this up, and I hope to see you either in my kitchen, my garden grow space, or in the garden. Bye for now. And oh, yeah, when it's decent outside, try to do something outside. And if you can't, try to get your garden jump on indoors. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. Okay, I hope you guys can see. It's really dark out here, so I need to hurry up and get in the house because it's really dark. So I have pulled the vast majority of the water out of my original rain barrel. Now, the reason why I did that is because I wanted to move it over and put that rain barrel also on the riser. When I originally made this riser, I made it for 2 rain barrels. So as you can see, now I have 2 of them on here, and it fits quite nicely. Nobody's hanging off. They touching though. They touching, but they're doing all right. They're not quite. Now, that one might be a tad bit close, but it's secure enough to where they're not going to fall off and either harm me or anyone else that's in the garden. So that is both barrels, the old one and the new one, up here on the riser. This one is pretty much empty. It's easy for me to move. This one is empty, and that one is full. So I'll be able to collect rainwater tomorrow in here, and I have 14 5-gallon buckets on the opposite side of the house that has water, so I'll use the pump and put the water in this barrel and get those ready to rock and roll. So let me get in the house. I'm going to leave you guys with the picture of the moon. It seems like it's really cloudy out today, very overcast. It's been very overcast today, so you can't really see it that well, but it's up there and it's still beautiful. Bye, y'all.